In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix slow Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, head into your Gmail settings. Click See All Settings and review your add-ons or browser extension list. Disable any unnecessary extensions that hook directly into the DOM of your email client. Also, if you use the Smart Compose or Heavy Offline Sync features, toggle them off if your local hardware is struggling to process background syncs. Next, let's optimize layout density and pagination. By default, Gmail loads a lot of visual weight up front. Click the gear icon in your top right and switch your density from default to compact. Go back into See All Settings, find Maximum Page Size, and lower the number of conversations shown per page from 50 to 25. This dramatically reduces the initial DOM load time every time you open your inbox. And just like that, your inbox is back to lightning speed. If this quick tech audit saved you from desktop lag, hit that subscribe button for more teardowns. Drop a comment below if you're still experiencing slowdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.